Welcome to doassignment-ca, solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Let us solve this problem step by step. First, identify the coefficients from the equation. A is 9, B is -8, and C is -3. The quadratic formula is x equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. Substituting our values, we get x equals 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 4 times 9 times -3, all over 18. The discriminant equals 64 plus 108, which is 172. Note that subtracting a negative number becomes addition. We simplify the square root of 172 by writing it as the square root of 4 times 43, which equals 2 times the square root of 43. Replacing the radical and dividing everything by 2, we get x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 43, all over 9. The two exact roots are x equals 4 plus the square root of 43 over 9, and x equals 4 minus the square root of 43 over 9. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.